about making some changes in your life to help out the planet, you could start thinking about making some changes to your house. But how would you do that? And what would be the first few steps to do so? Today at Green and Clean in the Waterloo region, we're going to be featuring one of the most, if not the most, eco-friendly houses in the Waterloo region.
The Reep House is a century home. It's about over 100 years old that we've completely renovated, and we tried to put in as many energy efficiency and water efficiency and sustainability features as we could.
The Reep House is Reep Green Solutions Demonstration Home and Education Center. The house, which is one of the first few LEED Platinum certified residential homes in Canada, is located downtown Kitchener and is full of features.
The main one that I mentioned is the insulation, and that's typically the biggest thing about making your home more energy efficient is insulating better, keeping the heat in and not letting it get out and losing it.
The main things that made a difference at this house include a geothermal furnace system, solar panels for electricity, a heat pump or water heater, high-efficient appliances, including a refrigerator and a dishwasher, and high-efficiency windows. Once these features were installed, the house reduced its emissions by 54%. And if you're wondering how you're going to do all of that in your house,
there are some things that are easy and some things that are, obviously take much more work. The first step is to have an energy audit done on your home.
Also known as home energy assessment. An energy audit is when an auditor comes to your house to take a look at it and to see how energy efficient it is, and to look at which upgrades you could possibly get to help you save energy and money on your energy bills.
Right now in Ontario, there are some incentives through the gas company, through Union Gas and Enbridge. So if you have an energy audit done, you can get up to $5,000, I believe, for doing different things like insulating your home, replacing your furnace, replacing your water heater, those sorts of things.
However, if you want to start somewhere easier than that, there is a smaller change that could help you save up to 50% of your water spending per month.
Really having a very efficient high-efficiency toilet is important, because the toilet is one thing. Probably the most important thing for water, though, is the shower head, and it's a pretty simple and inexpensive upgrade to make.
But besides the benefits for the planet, is there any other reason why you should be looking into these features? Well, depending on the house, you can reduce your energy costs by a lot.
Basically, with this house, we've been able to reduce the energy usage by about 80 or 90%, which is really, it's really big. That isn't something that the typical homeowner would probably do because of the expense of doing all of these things. And depending on your home, though, if you can cut your energy in half, that might save you, $1,500 a year in energy.
I'm Amanda Volpato reporting for Spoke News.